All right, kids. So on your packet, some of you have questions about the maps and what to do. So I'm just looking at a PDF real fast. I'm going to scroll down to page 8 where you first see the maps. Label the below map with the different world regions. I'm just going to minimize the screen. And right now I am in modules, Unit 8, or excuse me, yeah, Unit 8, Unit 1, because that's the section that we're looking at. And I've added page 8 of the maps. You can scroll in to get this larger. Okay, so for the top one, I want you to do where it says Russian Federation. You can just go ahead and put that as Russia. Down at the bottom, you can go ahead and label these regions through here. For Africa, you can just do the same Africa that you did up here, just Africa Sub-Saharan, but I would like you to identify Asia. So I want you to do Western Europe, Eastern Europe, the Middle East, Central Asia, Southern Asia, East Asia, and then Southeast Asia. Then down here where it says Australia, you can do that for Oceania. I think Oceania, nope, it doesn't have it. Oceania would be Australia, New Zealand, and through Papua New Guinea. So all of that you can go ahead and do one section. The next map that you guys have, let's scroll past these, is the climate map. Okay, so on the climate map, it says draw and label different climate regions on the map, include a key. I haven't posted the picture yet on Canvas. I'll go ahead and get that in there, but you can find this map on page number 36 of your textbook, or you can refer to the assignment that you've already done regarding the climates. You'll need to use colored pencils in order to fill this in accurately, and if you just want to follow the key that they have already there, it's already done. So again, this is on page 36 of our textbook. And then what I would like you guys to do for these right here, where does it have them? Knowing where your countries are is extremely important. Identifying mystery countries has been in previous FRQs. Write in the nations in each of the below regions. So what you can go ahead and do is between these three maps that you have, between those top two and then the climate map, you can use these numbers however you see fit to fill in North America, and then you label that through 50, then Central America and the Caribbean, South America. So if you're looking at Europe and you just wanted to go from west to east or east to west, you could start with Portugal, Spain, France, Germany, Poland, and you would just go down the list, and then whatever number you selected for that, you could go ahead and put that on either the climate map, since it's a little bit larger, or you could do that on one of the other two maps. So it's just going to have you go through and just basically label each of those states on those locations, and then they're itemized by each of their locations or regions. So some of you would probably prefer to use these two maps. I think that that might be the easiest because you can create a key that just color codes those regions instead of writing on the map. And if you guys have any questions, or if they don't fit on one of these maps, you can just go ahead and print, if you have access to a printer, a couple more of those, or there are additional maps throughout the packet, and you can spread those out throughout the packet. Let me know if you guys have any additional questions. I will get the climate regions map right here. I will get that added into Canvas here in just a few.